Hello friends, welcome all of you. Today I teach you 12th standard economics subject. We have already studied in 11th standard meaning and definition of economics, micro and macroeconomics, wealth concept, utility concept, national income concept. So these concepts also study in detail 12th standard. We are going to start our first topic, introduction to microeconomics and macroeconomics. Friends, you know economics have various branches like that: public economics, labor economics, agriculture economics, international economics. But in modern world, economics have main two branches: microeconomics and macroeconomics are the two main branches of modern economics. Micro and macro. Micro and macro. The term of microeconomics and macroeconomics were first coined and used by Ragnar Fish of Oslo University in 1933, and since they then they have been adopted by the economics all over in world. Main branches of economics: micro and macro. Micro and macro, both two words derive from Greek word. Micro, Greek word mikros, micros, and makros, macros. Micros means small. Micros means very small, and macros means large. Small and large means micro and macro, both two word I and A, two letter also different. You know, micro means small and macro means large. Small and large also detailed study in next picture. We see the picture here. First picture, a single tree. Here second picture, group of trees or forest. Means when you select a single tree and study detail, it is called microeconomics, and when you study detail group of trees or forest, it is called macro. So micro means a million part, individual or small, and macro means aggregate, whole or total. Next picture, when you observe this picture, then you are clear. Micro means small and macro means large. So in example, in total economy, when you select a single part or individual unit and you study data, it is called micro. So micro means individual and macro means aggregate or large. Let us another example. In our class 100 students. In total, out of 100 students, when you select a single student, it is called micro, and whole class study means 100 students study, it is called macro. So micro and macro. Micro means individual or small, and micro means large or aggregate. Historical review of microeconomics. We now study historical review of microeconomics. Adam Smith, the father of economics, Adam Smith, father of economics, is considered as founder of microeconomics. In his book Wealth of Nations, published in 1776, he discussed how prices of individual commodities and the factors of production are determined. Microeconomics approach is also seen in the writings of David Ricardo and J.S. Mill. Then after Adam Smith, microeconomic developed and popularized by well-known economics Dr. Alfred Marshall, means modern economist. Dr. Alfred Marshall considered as a real architect of microeconomics. Dr. Marshall's Principles of Economics was published in 1890. So in his publication, marginalism principle used. So in microeconomic, marginalism principle tools is very important to study. Then Dr. Alfred Marshall's contribution also very important to development of microeconomics, but David Ricardo, J.S. Mill, Professor Pigou, J.R. Hicks, Professor Samuelson, Mrs. John Robinson, Chamberlain, these are the economics also very important contribution of development of microeconomics. Meaning and definition of microeconomics. Meaning and definition of microeconomics. Number 1, according to Professor Kenneth Boulding. According to Professor Kenneth Boulding, listen carefully and see here. Microeconomics is the study of particular firms, particular households, individual prices, wages, incomes, individual industries, particular commodities. According to Kenneth Boulding's view, also individual. In individual means in our Sangli city, suppose 1000 industries. In 1000 industries, we now select single industry and detailed study, it is called micro. In our city, thousands of family. In thousands of family, we now select a single X family and detailed study, it is called micro. A particular commodity like that sugar, how to determine the price of sugar? It is called micro. Micro means particular individual study, it is called microeconomics. So in this definition, at a glance, particular firm study, particular household study, individual prices and particular commodity means according to Kenneth Boulding, when you study individualistic like that particular firm, particular industry, particular commodity, it is called microeconomics. Next one, before next definition, when you observe the picture, in this picture, individual person here, household here and firm, means according to Kenneth Boulding, Microeconomics means a individual person study, particular family study, particular industry or firm study. It is called microeconomics. Next definition, according to Professor A.P. Lerner. A.P. Lerner's definition also very important. Listen and see here. Microeconomics consists of looking at the economy through microscope, as it were, to see how the millions of cells in the body economic. Just see the picture. When you observe this picture, girls observe through the microscope. When girls observe microscope, she observe in our body millions of cells, bacteria, viruses. So same, to see how the millions of cells in the body economic. When you observe this picture, our body millions of cells, bacteria, viruses. The same in our economy, millions of household, millions of firms, commodities, prices, income. So the individuals or households as consumers and the individual or firms as producer play their part in the working of whole economic organism. Means in our economy, consumers role, producers role, all individual role is very important to development of economy. So when you are looking economy through the microscope, means when you select a single or particular X commodity, X industry, X family and study detail, it is called microeconomics. So at a glance, microscopic study, individual or household and important part of economy. So according to A.P. Lerner's view, also very important in microeconomics. Next one definition, according to Professor Maurice Dobb. Maurice Dobb's definition also very important and simple. Just see and listen carefully. Microeconomics is a fact. Microeconomics is a fact, a microscopic study of the economy. Means when you see the picture, girl observe through the microscope, she observe small part in our economy. Then same in our economy, when you see through the microscope, all part we now study in detail, it is called micro. So in microeconomics, analysis of each individual unit when you select and examine separately, so it is called microscopic study. Means in our industry, in our household, particular commodity, when you select single and detailed study, it is called microeconomics. So Kenneth Boulding definition, A.P. Lerner's definition and Maurice Dobb definition when you study, then conclusion is microeconomics means a individual study, a million part in a individual or million part, means in total economy we now select a single person, particular commodity, particular household, particular firm or industry. So only individualistic or particular study, it is called microeconomics. Friends, today we are studying introduction of micro and macroeconomics, meaning and three definitions of microeconomics. If you have like this video share and subscribe, then next video notification available for you.